Good morning, someone's just requested this, and because I was playing keyboard, I thought why not. I have filmed it on a potato like, using my phone just on a bit of wood, but it's quick. It's Louie Vega and Julie McKnight, and it's Diamond Life. I've not heard it before, but it's quite straightforward, I think. I think I've got it sorted right over here. So bass is like this. And then up here you've got this. So it's... Hopefully you can see that through potato vision. Right, I'll put the drum machine on and we'll have a go. So it's that, and then there's a bit of tappy tappy going on. There you go, have a go, good luck.